Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy curly bun in less than 2 minutes. Start by popping the hair into a ponytail about the top of the ear height, and then I'm just going to divide the ponytail in half. And now just popping your hand over each half and grabbing onto each section, I'm going to gather it all together and then secure it with another elastic band. Only wrap this around twice so it's not really tight. Then use your fingers to fan out each one of those sections for some more volume. Now, taking the tail ends from that top ponytail, I'm going to pop my fingers under one of those little strands of the elastic band, and then I'm just going to pass that end of the ponytail to my fingers and pull it all the way through to create like a little loop. And again, we're going to pinch and pull at that loop and fan it out with our fingers to make it as big as possible. And if your hair's long like my client, we're going to do it one more time. So pop your fingers under a strand of that elastic band, grab the ends and pull them all the way through to create another loop. And again, fan out that section by pinching and pulling. You can just tuck the ends inside each of those loops if you don't want to use any pins. And we're going to do the same on the bottom ponytail, so underneath everything, pop your fingers through the elastic band again, grab the ponytail and pull it all the way through to create another loop. Then fan out that loop with your fingers by pinching and pulling, and then just repeat one last time. So pop your fingers through the loop, grab the hair and pull it all the way through. Then stretch it out by pinching and pulling on the sides. Now, I don't like the tail ends showing, so I'm just going to use a couple of pins to secure it to the head. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.